Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a border and outline to your cake topper using Canva and PixArt. This will help make your design stand out and serve as a cutting guide. So let's get started. Step 1. Save your cake topper design. Once you've finished designing your cake topper in Canva, follow these steps. Save it in PNG format. Here, set the size to 1.5 or 3000 by 3000 px, enable transparent background, and click download. This ensures that all elements in your topper are combined into a single image. Okay, next, step 2, add a white outline in Canva. Open a new blank page in Canva, so click this one. Upload the PNG file you just downloaded and insert it onto the page. Okay, resize it by dragging the corners to make it bigger. So let's resize. Click Edit Image, Edit, then go to Shadows, then Outline. Adjust the outline size as needed. Change the outline color to white. Click Share, then download again using the same settings. Save as PNG, 1.5 is the size, transparent background. Okay, now select only the page with the white outline. So, page 2. Download. Okay, step 3, create the cutting guide in Canva. So, let's open a blank page. Then, upload the white outline PNG you just saved. Upload. Then, insert. Resize by dragging the corners to make it bigger. Then, click Edit. Then, go to Effects, Shadows, then Outline. Set the outline size into 3. 3 will be fine. 3. And the color is black. Save and download it in PNG format with transparent or white background. Or you can save it with white background. Just disable the transparent background, then save. So here is our finished cake topper. So if you want to remove unwanted spaces or lines, like this, like that. If you see any unwanted spaces or lines in your outline, here's how to clean them. You can use PixArt for free. You can download it on Google or App Store. Okay, so let's start with a blank canvas. Under Photos, blank canvas. Then add the black outlined image and confirm by clicking the check mark. Then add, drag the corners to make it bigger. Click the check mark here. Then at the bottom, select brushes here. Then choose the first brush option. Set the color of the brush to white. So here. Then Um, this is to match the color of our border. Then let's brush. Once done, click the check mark again and save the image. So let's click the arrow down to save the image. Okay, and that's it. Your cake topper now has a clean border and outline guide for cutting. Hope this helps, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips, and happy crafting!